I attend the extended education sessions at Insights every year. One of the great advantages of doing those extended sessions is having that 4 hours of hands-on, live, real-time training with the Epicor staff. But in addition to that, hearing what other customers of Epicor are going through and how they use the system, and trying to pick up on tidbits from that perspective as well on how we can utilize our system better and in different ways. I would highly recommend any of the extended sessions at Insights from the standpoint that for the content and the time that those extended sessions go over, you really have an opportunity to really get into the system and be able to ask some detailed questions and get some detailed learning and have the opportunity to interact with some of the Epicor staff, whether it's the session leaders or the peripheral assistants that they have at the sessions, and really being able to network from that standpoint with Epicor and or with other customers of Epicor's as well.